What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be making a quick video of an unboxing and first impressions of a Belemay case. It's a full leather case. I got this for or rather, a friend of mine gifted this to me for my secondary phone. That is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm just gonna be unboxing and comparing it to my Nomad leather case for the 16 Pro Max and see how it compares. So yeah, this is straight out of US, so the box is a bit damaged, but who cares about the box? Just uh, basic stuff on the sides, nothing. Just a orange on the side for whatever reason. A pull tab, recyclable box, and some information about the product itself. So yeah, it has a pull tab here. Let's pull it out and see what's in the box. Something inside this. It says Belemay here too. So this is Crazy Horse leather, and this is the color. It's brown. Silica gel. Something else inside this. So Crazy Horse leather is known for showing scuffs and scratches and showing more patina than your usual full grain leather. But yeah, this is of course a full grain leather case only. Okay, so here's a piece of leather, I guess, just to show that this is also a full grain leather product or something. I don't know. I take care of this piece. Let's see the smell. It doesn't have a huge amount of leather smell to it. Even the Nomad one, which isn't known for its smell, had more than this. But let's compare it side by side, right? So I've had this Nomad case for around 2 weeks now. It is starting to patina in the corners, as you can see. I've been using it every day, of course, on my 16 Pro Max. So yeah, it's gotten ever so slightly darker in the corners. Not sure if it's visible or not. This is how they compare. Perhaps this will darken too. Uh, all right, let's take a look here. There's some plastic ring around the camera housing. There's a bit of glue or something. I guess I can just take this out. Metal buttons, nice touch. Metal buttons here too. Cutout for the uh, toggle switch, MagSafe, Belemay. And let's see, I'm using this Apple first party leather case for a while now. This is on its last legs. So, not a fan of these silicone cases since the 12 lineup, that is, once the sides have become flat. So, yeah, let's put this on. Let's see what it's like. Simple and nice. Cameras seem to be protected. Very nice indeed. So let's see. As I said, Crazy Horse leather has this tendency to show the scuffs more easily. Very smooth. Let's try putting on a MagSafe accessory to see how it sticks. So here's my Apple leather wallet. Yeah, you get the animation, and it looks like there is the alignment magnet here too, so it doesn't move as easily. It's not gonna come off by accident, no chance. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, so Crazy Horse leather there for you. Of course, this is gonna wipe off, but it's gonna patina very nicely. I can already tell. Very nice case. So that's about it. A quick video on the Belemay full grain Crazy Horse leather case. Like and subscribe, and thanks to my homie who bought this for me. Thanks, man.